Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. The next one I have here is a security plan. So you can see throughout this plan, I've got different card reader symbols, speakers, card readers over here. And then again, a legend indicating each one of those. So you might have detailed metadata in each one of these different card readers. Maybe you've got the passwords or the serial numbers or anything like that that identify these separate from the rest, how it's mounted, things like that. You can build all that into those tools. Over here you can see I've got tool sets for access control, communications, switches, doors, power supplies, and so on and so forth. Video surveillance. Place those, place a legend, and you've got all your quantities. What we did with this one, with this particular customer, is we built these tools out so that they could go on site and walk through an existing building with maybe a new owner, place all the card readers and cameras and things where they thought they needed them. And the prices were all built into these tools so that leaving that meeting, they already had an estimate. Then they would turn that over to the engineers. They would move things where they need to be, put in more if they needed more for coverage with cameras and things like that. And again, because the price is in there, it would update that bid. They also took it to the next level where now that it's engineered, they gave that marked up PDF to the installers, who then came in, and as they finished each one, they changed the status. So they marked it completed, and it put down the date and time that they marked it complete. So they just worked on this list until everything was marked complete. When it was finished, they could go through, inspect everything, change the status again to approved, or whatever they want that to say. You can build custom ones in here as well. And then they also handed this over to the owner for facility management. So if a camera keeps breaking, they can call up and say, hey, it's this one. And you know right away, because of the tools, which one it is to order and replace it. So finding ways to utilize your markups from the front end at the sales all the way through installation into facility management is something that I like to look at. Avoid marking things up 2-3 times between different teams. That's our security example. I hope you learned a thing or two. You can apply it to your work immediately. If you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to the team at Brighter Graphics or myself. We'd be happy to help you with those.